What if you could own a tiny piece of Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and 500 other companies all at once for less than 10 euros? That's exactly what an ETF lets you do. And in the next 3 minutes, I'll explain everything you need to know to get started today. ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. Think of it like a basket. Instead of buying one single stock and hoping that company does well, you buy the whole basket. Hundreds of companies at once. If one company fails, it barely affects you. The others carry it. That's called diversification, and it's the #1 rule of smart investing. Here's why ETFs are perfect for beginners. First, they're cheap. Most ETFs charge less than 0.2% per year in fees. That's 2 euros for every 1,000 euros invested. Compare that to actively managed funds that charge 1 to 2% and still underperform the market. Second, they're simple. You don't need to analyze companies, read earnings reports, or follow the news every day. You just buy and hold. Third, they perform. The S&P 500 ETF has returned an average of 10% per year over the last 50 years. That's not a promise, but it's a powerful track record. So, which ETF should you buy as a beginner in Europe? 2 options. The first is a global ETF, something like the MSCI World, which covers 1,500 companies across 23 countries. The second is an S&P 500 ETF, which tracks the 500 biggest American companies. Both are solid. Both are beginner-friendly. Look for ones labeled accumulating. That means dividends are automatically reinvested for you, which is more tax efficient in most European countries. Where do you actually buy them? Platforms like Trade Republic, Scalable Capital, or Degiro are all available across Europe, easy to use, and have low fees. You can start with as little as 10 euros and set up a monthly automatic investment called a savings plan, so you invest consistently without thinking about it. One last thing. Don't try to time the market. Don't wait for a crash. Don't wait for the right moment. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. Buy every month, stay consistent, and let time do the work. If this helped you understand ETFs, subscribe for more weekly videos. No jargon, just clear insights you can actually use. See you next week.